Many children have trouble with math, but some students find it more difficult than others. Introducing Prodigy, an educational platform based on gamified approach of learning mathematical skills. Prodigy is curriculum-aligned, adaptive to your child's learning ability and helps reduce math anxiety. Used by over 65,000 students in more than 120 schools across the country, students answer over 1 lakh questions through their Prodigy journey every month. Following a teacher-approved CBSE and ICSE curriculum from grades 1 to 8, Prodigy is an adaptive learning experience based on a student's strengths and weaknesses. Engaging, effective and interactive, all of Prodigy's educational content is free for all children forever. Parents can create a Prodigy account which allows them to get real-time insights to see where your child stands within the curriculum, receive timely progress reports and report cards through email updates, and encourage your child's learning journey by setting goals and sending rewards. So what are you waiting for? Be a part of your child's math learning journey by creating a free parent account on Prodigy today. Visit www.prodigygame.com to keep up to date on everything Prodigy. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Sign up today.